Number 649, a 1956 Colonial white Thunderbird with original documentation, a professional restoration with limited miles. Cars from Salinas, California and Dallas, Texas. I'm Amos, and I am the one who searched this car out and went to see it and drove it before I bought it. And she's been owned in the dry climates and not subject to the high humidity, rusty climates that the majority of them have been subject to. She's fully loaded with every power accessory Ford had to offer in 1956. She's definitely one of my most favorite 56 T-Birds to drive. If you don't like how she drives, don't buy a 56 T-Bird because they don't get much better than this. She's got the Ford-O-Matic. She's got the rebuilt 312 225 horsepower V8 Thunderbird, and with the 4-barrel, she's got the Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford's Masterguide rebuilt power steering system, Ford Swift Sure power brakes system, the 4-way power seat, and power windows. Some of the upgrades she has the 57 carburetor and manifold and air cleaner updates. She's got the new Fiesta red and white interior with the proper embossments installed in Mentor's restoration facility. Dual exterior mirrors, the cooling package, Ford's C-Clear windshield washer system, the alternator electrical upgrade, replacing the generator with the alternator. She's got 5 real Thunderbird wire wheels with the red center spinners and the Radial wide well tires. Got the California positive crankcase ventilation system. She's got the dual master cylinder. The parade fan is a 6-bladed fan. The Ford engine dress-up package. The T-Bird AM/FM with dual stereo speakers, allowing you to play your favorite music from your iPhone. She's got show chrome throughout. Odometer is 33,255 miles. She's got nice PPG acrylic enamel throughout. Prestigious show or driver, definitely one for the particular collector. One of my favorite 56 T-Birds.